Cook lomi. This is bawang. Next is sibuyas. Next is karne. Chicken. Okay, that's it. Chicken. Then natin yung more. Carrots. And leave the water. Yan. Okay, tumulo na siya. Ganyan na. Unleash. Walang nikibi yun eh. Ganyan na po siya. So, okay na. Yan natin yung cabbage. For healthy body. Siyempre, wala clove. Siyempre, yung pampalasa. Cornstarch. Adding salt and pepper. So, pwede na.